Today I have with me the Alcatel Pixi free, the 3-inch model, and I'll be showing you how to reinstall the original firmware. And you can see I have a custom operating system on there, which is Android Lollipop. And today what we'll be doing is installing the original firmware on there. So first of all, you must have your MTK MediaTek USB preloader drivers, which I'll provide in the description, and I'll also provide the firmware link in the description. I will also provide the link for the 4-inch model and also the 3-inch model, and whatever other links that you want, you can just request and I will put them in the description. Also, I'll also provide SP flash tool, which will be using to flash the firmware. Note, you won't be able to use Alcatel's firmware flash tool because this is a custom firmware. This only works if you are on the original firmware itself. So let's get started. So now we want to open SP flash tool to begin the flashing process, but I know some of you are quite worried about the drivers. It's not much of a big issue. I will send you the links. You just have to install it, and then when they are installed, you know you have everything installed successfully, then you can come and open SP flash tool. Now bear with me because I am doing everything on my own. I have the phone in my hand, and the camera might get a bit shaky, so I apologize for that. So you can either turn off the phone or remove the battery and replace it, and then you go on SP flash tool. I've done replace my battery and my phone is off, so I am going to open SP flash tool. It may take a little bit of time to open, just bear with it. Okay, so now we are here. So we want to locate the firmware file. So let me just widen on the window a bit. So we want to locate the firmware file. We choose the scatter file. So I will go back and locate it. So that's in documents. There's the firmware file extracted. You enter and then you see scatter file. Now do not connect your phone as yet. Don't connect it. You click okay. So this will wipe your internal storage. So what you have to do now, format all plus download. Now this is quite risky, so I don't recommend doing it, but in my case I will do it because I want to do a fresh install of the firmware. But to be safe, select download only and uncheck preloader, because in most cases the preloader is corrupted. So do this at your own risk, but I recommend doing download only and deselect the preloader. But in my case, like I said, you doing it at your own risk. I'm doing format all plus download, which will select the preloader. So then after you select this, you click download and then you connect the phone. Connected the phone, and you see here now you see some red little flashing line. This means that it has already recognized the phone and it's beginning the flashing process. I think this should take about, if I can remember off my head, it should take about five minutes or less, but I guess it's going a bit fast, so I should give it about 3 minutes. So I will stop here, and when it's complete I will come back to you and show you the entire boot up process and how long it takes, and yeah, that's sort of it. So I will see you in the next piece of my video. Down 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, now disconnect your phone. Okay, now we can set aside the laptop, and we are done with it, unless if you have a backup that you'd like to restore after boot up. Okay, so you know normal boot up process takes a good amount of time, but just bear a little patience. So let's see what it has to bring. Okay, all right, So now the phone is now booting up. Yes, so also something I forgot to mention, just ensure that you select the right firmware, because some firmwares vary. As you can see, I have a Claro firmware which I didn't even want, so I went to download the wrong firmware, which was the 4009A model. So just bear in mind that you have to download the one based on your carrier. So in this phone's case, the model for the international carrier is the 4009X. So I will provide this one in the description, and you can flash this one, but do not flash any other from another carrier, because if you do so, it will ask you for the SIM lock code, which you do not have, and you might have to pay extra to get it. So ensure that you download the right one. So just bear in mind. So right now there, I'm just waiting for the boot up process to complete. The boot up process is now complete, and you can see it's a Spanish firmware, and I didn't even want that. I was in a bit of a rush and I went to download the wrong firmware, so I have to go back and flash the correct one. So if I were to put in a SIM card, it would ask me for the SIM lock code, so I will go back to reinstall the correct firmware for it. So anyway, without much talking, you can feel free to set up your phone, and I think this wraps up the video for today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and stay cool, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.